आम्ही ऑपोजिशनाची MLAची बैठक आपयली आनीक ऑन फ्रायडे at 9:20 p.m. onwards, I sent a WhatsApp message to all the MLAs. I believe you can zoom. This is on Friday. If you can see, including the Fatorda MLA. This message was sent on Friday in the night, and it was sent at the same time within 1 or 2 minutes to all other MLAs as well, all the opposition MLAs. This is how it has been done in the past. Number two, when everyone gathered, there was a call also made to confirm the presence of the Fatorda MLA. But I think, I'm not sure what went wrong, but the communication is clear. This is what I sent and what I normally do for the last 4 years. Friday 9:23 brightness माझे वाढवता. So you can have a look.
Okay.
What's the message?
Dear Vijay, opposition party MLAs meeting is convened on Monday, August 3rd, 2026 at 4:30 p.m. at the chamber of the leader of opposition to discuss about the opposition strategy for the 14th session of the 8th Goa Legislative Assembly. Kindly remain present and give your valuable inputs. So this was on Friday. The same message was also sent to Bab Kalus on Friday. Bab Kalus at 9:21. The same message was sent to Bab Viresh at 9:24. You can have a look. Benzi, I'll just pull that out. The same message was sent to Bab Benzi at 9:25. He replied, cheers. You can दाखवत मग तुका धाडले मेळप म्हणच्यान सगळे टिक मार्क गेले. So Cruz Bab also it was sent. Yeah, 9:24. He sent me a thumbs up.
हेणे thumbs up धाडून
किती धाडले दाखवत मध्ये काय धाडला. Yeah. So anyways, I think if there is any misunderstanding, let it be clear, we are here to fight and take issues together. All have worked together, and I believe we should work in the future as well. If you possibly, I don't know, if you enter my number, example, Truecaller ache mala. Truecaller ache also. It shows this is the number. Last seen at 4 o'clock. If he's not seen it, I'm not sure because it is a white tick.